Hi there. Today I'm going to demo a project that I built in Roblox Studio using Lua. Um, so let me just give a brief introduction to what's going on here. So this is a genre of Roblox game that's called RCL. It's really old. It's been around since maybe like 2011 or so. But the whole idea is you are kind of in an unlocked third person where you can change your camera angle, and you have to really track. So if you can see this little pink cursor, you want to track the target. Usually it's player versus player, but I wanted to create a tool for training by yourself. So I scripted this bot, I scripted the guns and the hits and the sounds that they make. If you look in the bottom right, you even have your accuracy, so I hit about a fourth of my shots there. And we also have a terminal that we can use to adjust this environment. One example of something we can do is change our cursor. So we can say /set cursor, and then this is a Roblox image asset ID. People in the community are pretty familiar with that. And now that I press that, now you can see my cursor is a little green dot instead of that pink one. And you can do this with any Roblox image ID. Aside from that, there's things that we can do to actually modify the arena. So we could do set wall distance, and if we want to make the arena smaller to deal with like closer combat, we can do that. So now we see the walls have all shrunk in. They're about 30 studs is the measurement system that Roblox uses. They're 30 studs from the center of the map. So yeah. And again, we have our accuracy down there. We can even check our accuracy. We can say what is it? I think it's just /ac. Yeah. So you can see the total shots, the amount of hits, and my accuracy percentage. We can also reset it. So I believe it's just reset ac. Yeah. And now you can see this is 0. If I type ac again, we see it's 0. One other really cool feature, if we set the walls a little further, I mean, we don't have to. Oops. Set wall distance. Set wall distance, the command. So now we see we have a much bigger arena. It'd be nice to have some other targets, so we can actually add that too. We could say set bot quantity 15. And now if we look around, we see all these bots, and it's kind of hard to tell without having ever really seen anything like this, but these dodging patterns are very realistic, and they're actually keeping into account my character's position, and they're kind of tangently avoiding me. Like they're all running tangent to me. So as I adjust, you'll kind of see they're gonna continue to be kind of tangent to me, and that makes them the hardest targets. So it really makes it a good training aid. So yeah, with all these features and all of the ways that you can change the environment, it excuse me, gives you a fun way to train. And I like working with the command line tool, so that's kind of what I made. Yeah,